Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my complete sharpening kit. For my sharpening stone, I use this Norton combination stone. It has a coarse side and a fine side. I'm not sure the grit of any of the side, neither it is mentioned in the packet. The good thing about it is that you can use either water or oil as a lubricant in this stone. I prefer to use oil because it protects the blade iron or chisel from rusting. Moreover, it is less messy as compared to water. The sharpening stone is around 6 inches by 2 inches. I start my sharpening process on the coarse side. I use few drops of oil. I hold my blade with my right hand with the index finger in the middle and place my 2 fingers from the left hand so that I put uniform pressure on the blade. I tilt my blade so that the bevel of my blade is in complete contact with the stone and then start moving it back and forth. I need to add more oil as it looks dry and continue. I didn't count, but after 30 to 40 strokes, I check if any bar is formed. We can feel it by touching the edge very lightly. We don't want the burr to break. If it breaks, it generally gives us a dull edge. Once I fill the bar, I remove the corners using 4 to 5 strokes. Next, I move to the finer side. This time, I place the blade flat and give a few strokes. This moves the burr to the other side. Then I use the same process and look for the burr to form. It will take few more strokes for the burr to form, so I continue. Now I can feel the burr. I place the blade flat and move back and forth. That way I take the burr to the other side. I also remove the corners. Next, I wipe the excess oil without breaking the burr. I will get rid of the burr in the leather strop. I charge the strop with chromium oxide, which is a stainless steel buffing compound. It takes around 30 to 40 strokes on the bevel side and 15 to 20 strokes on the flat side. There are many ways to test its sharpness. I feel if I can shape my hair, it will be razor sharp, and yes, it does shape my hair. So my blade is ready. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.